Dipak Shirbhate, and today I'm going to demonstrate my project to you. So this is the project file. It is getting loaded. I have carried out entire project in vrml. vrml stands for virtual reality modeling language. So this language was developed in the year 1997 and it discontinued in 2002. So you can see the resources which are loaded. There are total 311 resources which are completely loaded now, and this is the landing point of my vrml project. So this is a fish tank, and this fish is moving in the confined region. I have created this fish tank with the help of script. Now let us go to the office. Here you can see the office. So what I am doing is I am using jump tool so that we can directly jump to a particular point. Here I use jump tool. Here you can see the screensaver. You can see the BS contact player logo also. This logo is available only in trial version. In license version, this logo will vanish. So when we keep the computers unattended, then there is a screensaver. So I have created the illusion of screensaver in vrml. What I have done is that I have superimposed the 2D screensaver on the 3D monitor to create the illusion. Now we will change our now I have attached touch sensor to this. Now you can see the drawer is coming out. I can take out the drawer. I can put on the drawer. Here also it is possible. So these are operated with the help of touch sensor. Then to this printer also I have attached one touch sensor. You can see that keyboard is getting pressed. Here also I have employed touch sensors. You can see the bulb is getting on, this table lamp. Here on the neck I have attached one sphere sensor. This is off condition, this is on condition. Now you can see the effect of this light on the other say object in the vicinity of the table lamp. And with this neck I can roll this neck in any direction. That is possible. Like this. So this is actually this happens due to the sphere sensor. You can roll the neck in any direction. We will go little bit backward. Okay. Now you can see my image over here. This is a complete view of my project. You can see virtual theory of machine lab. Then this is a guardrail factory. This is a billboard. This is a grain processing unit. This is the office that we have just visited. Here there is a temple. This is a transmission line, and behind the factory grain processing unit there is Zooland, and this is a helicopter. So we will change the view quickly. I'm going to entry view. This is the entry view. You can see the sprite. This is actually my image. This is a 2D image created by means of PNG file, and it is always pointing towards the user, just like a sunflower. So it seems that this is a 3D image because we cannot see the side of this image. This is called as a sprite. So in vrml you can create the illusion of say augmented reality with the help of sprite. To some extent it is possible. Then I'm changing the movement to jump. We'll jump to this gate. Here I have employed a proximity sensor. You can see the gate is getting opened automatically. Now here there is a parking. We will jump to any particular point in the parking. Here there is a parking. This is a pickup truck. This is Volkswagen car, and this is the object or man, walking man. Now we will go to this point. You can see the shutter is getting open. This is due to the proximity sensor. Now this is called as avatar. Avatar means it is embodiment of the user in the virtual reality environment. So this is called as avatar. Avatar is a Hindu mythological word, and you can see that it is taking different positions. Sometimes it is taking off dust from the shoulder, sometimes it is looking into the wristwatch. If you say touch this particular avatar, then it will bow in an Indian style. So I'm just changing this. He will say namaste. He will welcome you in an Indian style. So he's taking different positions, predetermined positions. And this is the factory. We'll jump inside the factory. This is a destoner machine. This is a gravity separator, and now we will go to the interactive board. This is a keyboard sensor actually. This notice board is coupled with keyboard sensor, so it can directly accept the input from the keyboard. You can directly write something on this particular board. I'm just changing the movement from jump to examine, and we will write hi. My name is Dipak. My contact number 9226743354. This is how we can write something on this board. Again I am changing the moment from examine to jump. This is the working principle of gravity separator. This is the working principle of the distoner. And this is the clock which is displaying present time. The time is 5:18 a.m. So you can see the time 5:18 a.m. Here I have displayed one board which is showing the schematic diagram of grain cleaning system. So this is the grain cleaning system. Now to this window I have employed to this window I have attached one sensor which is called as plane sensor. With the help of plane we can move the object in a predetermined plane. So you can, this window can be pulled down. This is the default position. This is a closed position of the window. This is halfway open and this is completely open. So in this way we can actually operate the plane sensor. Now let us jump to the flag. Here also I have employed the plane sensor. So you can take this flag up to the post. I'm changing from jump to examine. This is how you can take the flag up and down. There is something written at the top of the flag. Just we will look at that, what is there. This is actually a sprite. This is a sprite. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. It is always pointing towards the user. You can see the other sprite. This is a sprite. This is a sprite. Okay. Now we will directly go to the guardrail factory. This is a jumping point. I am jumping to guardrail factory. This is the guardrail's office. We will look into the office quickly. In the office there is painting. Then there is watch and display of guardrail products on the wall that you can see. Again this clock is showing the present time. Actually it is having the time sensor, so it will sense the time from my laptop and it is displaying the same time to you. Now let us jump to this point. Now here you will be able to hear sound. Some processes are going on. Here again I have created some display boards. You can see the processes are going on. Again here I have displayed one clock. The clock is showing again system time. This is called as anchor. Anchor will allow you to link 2D pages with the 3D object. So you can see the palm icon. So it is showing that there is some link, and that link you can see in this area. So it will take you to the Guardwell factory's website. If you click on this, you will be navigated to the Guardwell's website directly. So for the moment we will skip the clicking, and from this you can see the machine sound. Let's see. You can hear the machine sound. You can see the bird flying in the sky. Here I have displayed a corporate video of Guardwell Industry. Just take a look of this video.
Our dedicated workforce is focused towards maintaining standards of technical competency. Our in-house R&D setup allows us to develop new technologies and improve existing technologies on a regular basis. Pioneers in manufacturing tailor-made security products. Every product that leaves the factory carries a BIS license. Our team of passionate dealers, diversely spread across the nation, play an important role in establishing an intricate network through the length and breadth of the nation.
So this is virtual theory of machine lab. We will take entry from this side. And there are several mechanisms which are displayed on the table. This is a 4-stroke engine that you can see. This is the Geneva mechanism. Then I think this is a planetary gear. All the mechanisms are there which are displayed. Here also I have put one clock on the door. Again it is showing the system time. So you can see interactively all the mechanisms. Here also I have put one clock. Here there is a whiteboard, and this is a stop clock. You can start and stop the clock. We'll go outside by this using this jumping point, and so this is a back door of the virtual theory of machine lab. Now we'll move to another point. There is a temple here. I'm just going to the temple. You can hear the chanting sound of Om. you can see one green ball at the top. This green ball is nothing but is the information ball. It is actually showing the information. We call this as info ball. Let us use some another jumping point. So this info ball will display the information of the event sequence. Welcome to virtual world, created using vrml. In this virtual world, virtual grain processing unit, virtual theory of machine lab, virtual garden factory, zoo and temple, all these things will be there. Now we will quickly go to this helicopter, and you can see the rotor blade sound of the helicopter. So there are a lot of things in the zoo land, and so you can explore those things. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.